Hi everyone, welcome to our channel Jane Info. I hope you will be fine. This time we talk about Kalki 2898 80 Part 2. Kamal Hassan and Amitabh Bachchan reunite on sets for Prabhas Terror sequel pics. Kalki 2898 Part 2 is the upcoming sequel to the 2024 blockbuster Kalki 2898 starring perhaps and directed by Nick Ashwin by Gautam as published on 24 February 2026. Kolki 2898 was released in theaters in 2024 and became a massive hit as the film nears 2 years since its release. Work on the sequel has begun with Amitabh Bachchan and Kamal Hassan starting the shoot. Kolki 2898 at Part 2 begins with Amitabh Bachchan and Kamal Hassan's shoot. In a recent update on Amitabh Bachchan's blog, both Big B and Kamal Hassan were spotted together as they reunited on the sets of Kolki 2898 at Part 2 as Bachchan returned to Hyderabad for the film shoot. The superstar spoke about sharing the screen with Kamal once again. The actor wrote, "Meeting up with the great Kamal Hassan, we shall be working together after its last in Giraftar. Kolki 2 has begun work and I shall even grace the love and affection of your anticipated presence on Sunday." Apart from the reunion between Big B and Kamal Hassan, the pictures also show the superstar once again doing the avatar for Ashwatthama. Kalki 2898 begins at the end of the Mahabharata's Kurukshetra war, marking the onset of the Kali Yuga in 3102 BC. After the war, Ashwatthama is entrusted by Lord Krishna with the responsibility of protecting Lord Vishnu's final avatar when the time comes. 6,000 years later in 2898, as the world has transformed into a harsh dystopia, ruled through fear by a self-proclaimed God known as Supreme Yaskin, while most people strive to appease him in hopes of gaining access to his abundant land now as the complex others rise in rebellion against his tyranny. As hope begins to fade, a new light emerges in the form of an unborn child carried by Samiti, also known as Sumati, with Yaskin and his followers determined to extract the child's life force. An epic tale unfolds, setting the stage for the rest of the saga. The first installment starred Prabhas in the lead role and also featured Amitabh Bachchan, Deepika Padukone and Kamal Hassan in prominent roles, as Deepika has reportedly opted out of the project. Rumors suggest that Sai Pallavi may replace her in the sequel, while Prabhas is currently working on Fury and Spirit. He is expected to join the shoot of Kalki 2 later. I hope you'll enjoy this news. Have a nice time.